Okay, we're back at ROKT. What are we doing?
Okay, so we're going to jump on these final problems. So we've got 3 for the female and 3 for the male. This was a final that was held down at ROKT on Friday night. Me, Gus, well, all of us actually were in the final, and I did give all of them a try. But you know, now we're going to get the ones that we didn't do and also get some of the female ones. So let's get right into it.
Fantastic. Fergus, how did the finals go last Friday?
Pretty well, I think.
Pretty well?
I came second, as I remember.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, I felt weak, but...
And now we're getting on the female climbs.
We're getting number 2.
Yeah.
And it looks a bit hard, but she'll flash out hopefully.
Let's get on it.
Yeah.
Oh.
As if it was a flash, as if it was.
Lovely. Yeah. How did the finals go for you, Louis?
So, better than last time. So last time I was in the Winter Boulder League final. I had a bit of a catastrophe. Only got M1 within the last 20 seconds, and didn't top any other. But this time, you know, I put in a good effort on M1. Managed to get the bonus. Just managed to touch the final hold of volume, but couldn't quite manage it. Flashed M2, and then at that point with M3, after doing the qualifiers as well, I was absolutely beansed out.
You had a good qualifying round?
Yeah, it was good. Got up a lot.
Like 1 or 2 climbs last
Yeah, I think I dropped 28. Yeah, 28 and 30, I think. But yeah, it was a really good night, and
yeah, good effort.
good laugh. Montage flash. Well, I hope I can be added.
For those of us who flash it.
I hope I can be added to the montage flash.
And it includes the... I'll be helping edit that. Check him out anyway. On Tesco's.
Nice one, Louis.
Thank you.
Toby.
Right, I'm going just for speed on this one, fast as I can. Let's go. I went too fast. I flew too close to the sun and it didn't pay off. I'll give it another go.
What's this, Louis?
Okay, so this is F1. So we're working our way around. We're not doing them in order. So we're going from F2 to F1.
Do you think this is the easiest one of the comp?
Presumably you can see the holds are big, you know, sort of very jug-like as well. So we might have to try some alternative beater as well. Use him without feet, essentially.
Just for fun?
You know, just for
Go
fun.
for it, yeah.
But yeah, let's get on it.
Well, I think you have the unfair height advantage as well.
Oh, possibly.
Over the female competitors. So.
Quite possibly.
It's only fair if you don't use your feet.
Yeah.
How percent, mate?
Open your option.
Be weak.
Fergus getting on female 3.
You don't got it anyway.
No one got this. No one got this. The first one was to zone.
Nice one, Ferg.
Thank you.
Okay, we're going to move on to male problems. Are we going to start with M1, or do you want to just do it in?
Let's just go there. Yeah.
Cool, we're going to
Left to
start.
right.
I've heard you've had some issues with it.
Yeah, this climb is my arch nemesis. Everyone in the final flashed it. I was the only one that couldn't do it. So this is kind of my redemption moment. Or utter failure. Oh.
You redeem.
No.
It's that toe. I'll stick it.
I don't have to stick that toe. That focuses on the volume.
Come on.
Then Dylan might suggest a heel.
I tried that as well.
Might suggest
Did you go for the heel?
I went for the heel. So if you look on the block on here, instead of how most people did it with the toe around here, I just stuck on a heel there.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
And it worked, you know. It worked. It got me
Even
up
with
the
your
climb.
flappy heels.
Even with the carrier bag heel. Squish.
Squish. The legendary Squish.
Maybe dissing Scarpa on YouTube. Dangerous.
Listen, Scarpa, your instincts are amazing, okay? Your Fury airs,
Louis diss track.
they're not cutting it. Just saying.
Scarpa, please don't demonetize us. We need it.
Wait, Ferg, did you bring your hand up? Did you bring your hand up here? Where's he gone?
That's what I did.
Yeah, okay.
If you get the pinch, bump the hand up to the volume, toe on, and lay on back. Yeah, Dylan.
I am redeemed.
Easy.
Yeah.
You wish you'd done that on Friday?
Not gonna lie, I really wish I'd done that on Friday, but it is what it is.
You've done it now. So this is M1, which was meant to be the easiest, but I was the only one that topped it. And only just. It was super sketchy on the night, so I'm gonna try and get up it again.
I'm gonna do every day until I get my endurance.
Awesome work. Thank you. Yeah, that's the beater I used on the night.
I'll get on.
Dylan's going.
Yeah.
Feature my shoulder.
So
Haven't tried it since Friday.
on Friday, how was it going for you?
This one, I was first out. This was the first climb, so quite nerve-wracking. And I couldn't make the move into the ball from the zone.
You got the zone?
I got the zone, yeah, which I'm quite happy about. I mean, zones are all I got. But Fergus and Gus both managed to get the ball on the next volume, and Gus obviously did it, so obviously, yeah. And Toby's just done it now, so
Louis is well on his way.
Come on, Dylan.
Yeah, come on.
Come on.
Go right foot up. Nice. That's it. Leave that.
next go.
That's pretty close.
Hopefully.
Yeah. You've got to get the right hand on that ball.
Yes, it's, the right hand is all it is. So.
To the,
Yeah, I mean, I'm glad I've caught that ball now. That's the milestone. So,
Are you talking up or?
try and make the next step.
Yeah, come on, right foot up. That's it. Roll back. Good. Get on the ball. That's it. Come on, left hand. Back down to volume. Awesome work.
Pretty pleased about that, actually.
Well then, what did you do differently?
I went for the right foot and kind of clamped it in between those two volumes before getting the match. Pleased about that. Glad to know I'm not just bad.
nice one,
But
man.
very desperate. Every single time I do it.
You stuck it for the first time on Monday
Yeah.
and screamed.
Yeah, there were lots of noises very animalistic.
Yeah, but we've dialed it in now.
Absolutely.
So that just leaves M3.
M3.
Well, we'll see if some of the others want to get on this. But yeah, let's carry on. M3, the final climb of the finals. There were 2 of us that topped it. I flashed it, and Toby has got some cracking beat for you.
Easy, no problem on that whatsoever.
Easy.
Okay, straight back on then, Louis. So I had quite a few goes during the final the conventional way, and I just couldn't make the big move up to the triangle volume work for me, just a little bit too out of my span. So on my very last attempt I tried some controversial alternative invert beater, and it didn't quite work. I didn't have it quite perfect, but I've since refined it, and I'll show you what I've come up with.
Easy.
Yeah, so much more refined than the first time I tried that. Originally I got very stuck in an awkward position, and instead of trying to go up the climb, I was actually more concerned about just losing my leg. But it's
yeah, we were debating it in isolation for quite a while, weren't we?
oh yeah, there was as soon as we saw the climb, the possibility of inverting was there.
Okay, well thank you for joining us for another episode of the Crimp Life. Hope you all enjoyed, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you soon rather than later.